Hey guys, welcome to Advices Media, and what we have is the Panasonic 4K tablet, which is a 20-inch 4K tablet, and Kamal here is going to give us a quick overview of the same.
Great, thank you. This is the first 20-inch tablet in the world, actually. It's a 4K tablet. By 4K, basically, this will allow you to deliver amazing type of graphics. The resolution in this, it's highly unmatched. It's closer to what you would know as a Retina display, but a lot bigger. And the portability makes it really excellent. So this would be used as more of a professional tool than an actual household item. I'll give you an example. Photographers like to go shoot photo scenes based on a theme. And now, when they shoot this theme, you're able to do, if you're able to do editing on the fly, especially when you are still at location, this will give you all the fresh ideas right there and then. I'll give you an example. Here's a picture, and I would like to remove this cloud from the middle of it. So just go ahead and retouch this cloud. So now, look at the time it takes to load Adobe Photoshop. Within 10 seconds, Adobe was completely opened, and over Wi-Fi, this picture was downloaded from the Lumix camera that you see on the wall wirelessly. Now I've selected my crop tool, and I'm going to go ahead and select some areas in this. And since I like blue skies a lot, all of a sudden I can remove this cloud. One of the quick examples that you can do. Typically, when you shoot the photos and you need to go home and edit those, and that's a lengthy time process. Here, you can do it right there on scene and so on. Other things that the tablet can really give you that unmatched by anybody else is the ability to review the pictures right there and then in a publication type of quality. So let's take this photo, for example. And if we look at this little girl, what I would like to do is go ahead and zoom in a little bit to the eye. Now watch the photographer and the gentleman that was taking the actual picture from the eye of the actual beholder. To me, this is amazing. So, in addition to being a great tool for photographers, we can utilize this as a tool for designers and engineers. So on this side here, you can see using actual pen for architects and designers. Architects and designers are able to actually annotate, put notes right here on the actual screen itself, or erase some notes, or do some of those things, share and collaborate in real time. Typically, you would want to have a meeting before the meeting and an after-action meeting in order to be able to do what I just did for you right here on the fly. So this is here, the best of productivity at your fingertips.
So does this come with Windows RT?
So this is Windows 8 Professional Pro, and it's running on an i5 processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 solid-state drive.
Okay, 120 SSD. And any price point on this?
The price set is not set yet. We're gathering some feedback from the US market, and as you can see by all the awards that we've won, the best of CES according to Popular Science and TechRadar. So it's been great turnout.
Okay. So when do you expect this to be in the market?
This will be released in 2013.
2013?
This year.
Okay. And this comes with some additional features like the remote shooting?
The remote, yes.
What does that work?
So basically, the remote shooting is a feature that ships typically with a camera itself, and you'll be able, due to the professional version of Windows 8, you'll be able to install all those software here without any restriction or limitation.
So it's actually restricted to only Lumia cameras, or it works with any camera?
Many of the camera manufacturers have different softwares to run with their product lines. I know in Panasonic's perspective, we have a remote shooting application that's really lovely and being used. I'll give you an example. Here it is. I just hit the remote, and typically if this was connected to the actual camera, you'd see and you'll be able to shoot here. In fact, I can walk you through it on the other side. So I would like to, behind you. I would like to go ahead and demonstrate for you the remote shooting. Sorry. Yes. Remote. And here it is. This camera. And here you go. It autofocus. Here you go. And this picture is being transferred right now back in Wi-Fi back into the tablet. So this is what you're seeing right here, is that this full picture was taken in RAW format and was transferred and an access of 10-15 megabytes on this file, it was transferred in a few seconds.
How long does the battery work?
The battery life on this tablet is 2 hours.
It's 2 hours.
So this is the Windows 8 full-on version.
It's a Pro version.
Yes.
So thanks, Kamal, for giving us a terrific tour on the 4K tablet. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you very much. Excuse me.